I'm going to show you how to make a drink called a Wisconsin lunch bucket. All right, what you're going to do for this is you're going to take a pint glass or a very large beer mug, and you're going to fill that about 1/4 of the way with beer. Just like so. Then you're going to add to that about 1/4 of a glass of orange juice. And that's going to fill us up about halfway. And then you're going to take a shot glass, and you're going to put into your shot glass 1 shot of amaretto. And this has got a really nice almond flavor and an almond scent. It's going to go really great with the orange juice. All right. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to drop this into your pint glass, and then you're going to slam it back and shoot it. Now, I would recommend whenever you're doing a slammer shot like this, make sure that you use a plastic shot glass and not a glass one. I have seen many a broken tooth. So that's how you're going to do it. Just drop it in and slam it and enjoy your Wisconsin lunch bucket. Cheers.